найніше.
Yeah, there is a problem.
Guruji, I write Dennis now.
So, what we have to do with this text, we have to listen and learn the principles, and we have to think and reflect daily. Tatanya says no. Natalia, are you listening to me? Yes, your voice is breaking. You may be listening to me, but when you translate, then the voice is breaking up. Voice is breaking up. So let us see. Can you restart your internet connection and see if it works? Yeah, sometimes not only internet, but also the computer also causes trouble.
Guruji, I write Dennis and очікую. Maybe Dennis.
Dennis is joining?
I write here and як на лісту чекає. It's bad internet and problem.
Yeah. Oh, let us see. Until then, keep smiling. Tatanya, you can translate. Let everyone keep smiling.
My English is very bad.
Танюшка, давай.
No, it's very difficult for me, no.
But you can say to everyone, keep smiling.
Танюшка, перекладай. Це ти знаєш, щоб всі посміхали. Зараз я чекаю, я написала Денисові. Скажи, Гуруджі, будь ласка, що я написала Денисові. І зараз чекаю його відповіді. Він мені минулого тижня казав, що може в будь-яку секунду приєднатися, але я не знала, що так складеться з Наташою, тому попередньо не домовилася з ним.
Oksana says that she write to Denis and wait for answer now, because last week he said to Oksana he can connect for all minutes.
Yeah.
But now we can't know what this situation with Natalia.
We have to wait. Maybe Oksana should make sure, maybe 5 to 10 minutes before, that internet connection is working. And I will also join 5 or 10 minutes before.
Каже, що почекаємо 10 хвилинок ще. Окей. Wait 10 minutes. Окей. Maybe Natalia turn to us.
Natalia has come up
Natalia.
again. Natalia, do you hear me clearly? Natalia, do you hear me clearly?
Дуже слабкий інтернет.
Yes, internet.
Yes, very bad connect.